In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine shapes in Figma. Whether you're new to Figma or looking to refine your design skills, learning how to combine shapes effectively can greatly enhance your design process and creativity. Let's get started by navigating to Figma, your go-to collaborative interface design tool. You can do this simply by opening your preferred web browser and entering the Figma website. Once you're on the Figma homepage, you'll want to look for the login button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure you enter the correct information to gain access. Now, after successfully logging in, you should find yourself on Figma's home screen. This page contains all your projects, giving you a good overview of your recent work, as well as shared files. From the home screen, let's direct our attention to the design option. It's typically found on the left-hand menu. Clicking on design will lead you into the environment where all the creative magic happens. Once you're in the design area, it's time to select a shape. There are various options available such as rectangles, circles, and polygons, and you may choose any shape that fits your project needs. Simply click on the desired shape tool from the toolbar at the top, and then click or drag on the canvas to create the shape. After you have your shape on the canvas, look for the Boolean operation in the top bar menu. Boolean operations in Figma allow you to create complex shapes by combining or subtracting two or more shapes, giving you the flexibility to experiment with your designs and achieve the look you want. Click on the Boolean operation icon and you'll see several options, including union, subtract, intersect, and exclude. For today, our focus will be on the union operation, as it's an essential function for combining shapes. So go ahead and click on union. This command will merge your selected shapes into one continuous shape, letting you easily manipulate and adjust them as a single entity. It's particularly useful when you want to maintain consistent styling and alignment across your elements. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to combine shapes in Figma. With these steps in hand, you'll be able to tackle your design projects with more efficiency and creativity. Feel free to try experimenting with different shapes and operations to discover new possibilities. Thank you for following along in this tutorial, and I hope you found it useful. Happy designing!